Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. We have 18 divided by 9 times 1 plus 1 in parentheses. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Now let's start to solve this math expression. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 times 9 equals 18. Now 18 divided by 18 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order operations, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and addition and subtraction have equal priority too. Now, according to the PEMDAS ATC here in first step, we have one parenthesis that we have to solve it first, not this multiplication and this division. If we do this multiplication and this division first, it is wrong. And we have to start with this parenthesis. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Let's rewrite the expression. We have 18 divided by 9 times 2. In next step, we have one multiplication and one division. And as we know, according to the PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal priority. So we have to work from left to right. Now we have to start with this division. 18 divided by 9 equals 2. And now 2 times 2 equals 4. So our final answer is 4. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.